Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to check if your PC can run Windows 11. First go to search, then type run, then type tpm.msc. I am repeat tpm.msc. Now click on OK. Now you can see compatible TPM cannot be found. I hope this video is very useful for you guys. Like, comment your ideas below in the comment box and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below. See you next video. Thank you.